Hi, Stacy in Japan, and I'm going to talk briefly about churches in Japan. Finding a Christian church in Japan. Firstly, Japan is not a religious society, and so as a result, finding a church in Japan is challenging. A Christian church in Japan is challenging. A bilingual Christian church in Japan is even more challenging, right? Because very few Japanese actually speak and or understand English. So when you do find a church that's a Christian church, chances are they only speak Japanese at that church, like the church I currently attend. So there are not a lot of Christian churches in Japan, but there are some familiar denominations such as Baptist, United Church, and the Catholic Church. Those are the three more prominent ones that I have found. Also, there are interdenominational or non-denominational churches in major cities, and in these major cities the churches are usually bilingual. Now, chances are if you came to Japan to teach English, you more than likely would have been placed in a more remote or rural area far from the major cities. And so to access, this spiritual connection that you would seek, you would have to travel for hours to go to church. So currently I actually attend a Japanese church. There are very few persons in the church who speak English, and so I just sit beside one and I have my Google Translate and I make my way through 1 hour of service every Sunday that way. Outside of that, keeping the connection with your faith is very important, and so there are a group of Jamaican females who meet together via Skype once per month, to really build that connection, sharpen each other's spirits, pray each other up and that kind of thing. So if you are not able to find a church near where you are, please either start a group, connect with some persons. You will have to utilize the internet a lot if you are not close to anyone, but do not allow your spirit to die. Do not allow your fire to be quenched, because that can easily happen in Japan based on my experiences. If you have had a similar experience or a different experience about finding a church in Japan and really maintaining your spirituality and your connection with faith believers and fellow believers, please leave me a comment below, a link below, and let me hear of your journey and experience in Japan so far. Thank you for watching.